Hello everybody, this is Baljit from JK. Welcome on my channel. And this video we are going to learn how to record screen on your Android tablet. Any tablet you have it. In my case, I have a LG tablet model number V521. So how you can record screen on any Android tablet? For that one, we're gonna go to Play Store. We have to download one of the app, and so the Play Store we're gonna look for screen recorder no root. You search for that one, you will see the first one on the top is called AZ Screen Recorder No Root. We're gonna click on that one. That's the best app. Recording screen. It's perfect. You can do a lot of things with it. Once you install this app, I have installed already. I'm using the same app to record my screen right now, but you have to install, and we're gonna click on open. You click on open, you will see there's a option on the left hand side in the middle of your screen. You click on it, there's a couple options. Settings, you can change some settings. You can make the way you want to record your screen. Second one is a screenshot. You can take your tablet screenshot. The third one is video recording. But if you click on video recording at the first time, it's not gonna let you record your screen. You have to make some changes in your setting. Once you click, it will take you on the setting menu, but I'm going to slide from the top. Right in the corner, I'm going to click on the gear option. Over here in the left hand side, you have to scroll up. You have to look for apps. Inside the apps, we are going to look for AZ Screen Recorder. You click on that one. Then we have to go to permissions. Inside the permissions, you have to give it 2 permissions to allow to use your camera and storage for this tablet to AZ Screen Recorder. If not, it will not let you record your screen. Also, you have to stop recording screen to do make some changes. Otherwise, it will keep letting you know stop screen overlay or whatever. So what you do, you stop recording screen and you see 2 options, camera and storage. You have to allow, you have to be those green. Microphone is optional. If you want to record your screen with audio, then you can allow. If not, have to. And the contact too. Now we all set. You have allowed those 3 things, and once you're done, just simply close. You open this one, you click on the video recording middle piece, and you have your screen recording started already. So once you're done, whatever you want to record your screen, you're finished, then you just slide down from the top, and there's a 3 option and AZ Screen Recorder: pause, stop, and draw. If you want to keep recording, just want to pause it for a little bit, just click on pause. You want to stop it, you can stop. You can also draw. You can click on draw. You can draw arrow or whatever onside the screen you want to show in video recording. So if you want to stop, just click on stop. So that's all you have to do. You can have a start recorder your screen already. You can record your tablet, your Android tablet screen, and once you're done, it will save automatically in your gallery. It will not go to your camera. It will go to this gallery. It will go over here. Your screen recording will be over here. Once you're done, you can transfer to your another PC or whatever the way you want to. So that's the way you can record your Android tablet screen. That's all for today. Thank you for watching. If you like my video, please like, share, comment, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching.